Hi everyone, my name is Sharon and welcome to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and get notified each time I upload a new video. I am so excited about today's video because I just can't wait to get into the video, you know what I'm saying? I just want to introduce to everyone what we call Payline Fund, where you can earn money if you don't want to recruit people, and if you also want to recruit people, this platform is also yours. So let's get into the video and learn more about Payline Fund. We just want to make money 2021, okay? So what we need to understand is what is crowdfunding, okay? Crowdfunding is a practice of crowdsourcing a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people. So this is all going to be about a crowd. We're going to be crowded in here. Everybody is welcome to join this business. We are going to raise up small amounts of money, or we're going to raise up money. Let me just say that we're going to raise up money in order, to achieve our goals and dreams. So if you want to do that, this platform, it's yours. So what is Payline Fund? Payline Fund is a worldwide donation-based crowdfunding platform of collective effort to help each other. It is an online community of ordinary people that come together to raise money. So whether you're coming from South Africa, whether you're coming from Botswana, you're coming from Nigeria, you're coming from the US, you're coming from UK, you're coming from Kenya, Tanzania, Egypt, wherever you're coming from, this platform is for you in order to raise up money to achieve your goals. I don't know what your 2021 goals are. Maybe you want to upgrade your business. You want your business to move from one level to another. You want to start up a business. You want to buy a house. You want to buy a car. This platform is for you to raise up money in order to achieve your goals. So we are moving to the next slide. How does Payline Fund work? We need to understand the metrics here. We need to understand how it works. So in Payline Fund, we have 12 levels. So in level 1 or any level that you enter, you need 3 people under you. So once you have 3 people under you in level 1, you're going to be upgraded to level 2. And then if you have 3 people in level 2, you're going to be upgraded to level 3. If you have 3 people in level 3, you're going to be upgraded to level 4, up until you get to your 12th level. So this is how it works. You just need 3 people, and I know you know those 3 people, right? And you're also thinking about them, right? I can read your mind. All right, so we're moving on to the next slide. So in Payline Fund, we can earn in 3 ways. You can earn in 3 ways. So this platform accommodates everybody here. It accommodates everybody here. So the Payline Metrics is the first way you can earn, where you earn without recruiting. The second one is the direct referral commission, where you earn while you talk to people, while you recruit. How does this happen? Okay, if you are going to recruit people, this is also for you. The Top Sponsor Award, for those people who have recruited a lot of people, hundreds and thousands of people, this is also for you. You can earn by the Top Sponsor Award if you have, or you're going to recruit a lot of people in this platform. Then how much money are you going to raise from the Payline Metrics contribution from you not recruiting people? This is how much you are going to earn. So for you to get started in Payline Fund, whether you don't want to recruit whether you want to recruit, you have to have $10. You're going to get started with $10, all right, which is 150 rands in my South African currency, which is something I've never seen in my life, like 100 rands and 50 rands. Guys, I don't know if you understand this. This is so affordable. So let's go to our metrics payout plan. So now you get started with $10 and now you're on level 1. So remember, in each and every level, you need 3 people to be placed under you. So for you, those who are not going to recruit, you know that 3 people are going to be automatically placed under you by the system in a form of spillovers. So once you have those 3 people in level 1, you're going to receive $24. And the system from that $24 is going to take $19 in order to auto upgrade you to to level 2. And what you're going to receive in your bank account, what the money that is yours, the money that is going to your wallet, is $4 for level 1. And now you go to level 2, you're auto upgraded with $19, and the system is going to place 3 people under you in a form of spillovers, and you're going to receive $46, okay? $46. And then you're going to be auto upgraded with $36, and then you're going to move from level 2 to level 3. And the money that you're taking to level 2, from level 2, it's $9. That is how the payout plan is. So as you continue to move from level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, 10, and 11, 12. So when you get to level 12, you're going to receive $38,185. Let me show you something, all right? I'm just going to go to my currency converter, and I'm just going to punch in 38,185.25, which is 561,892 rands. Guys, without you recruiting, you can make this kind of money. Let's just talk right here. We are talking money. We are talking Payline Fund. We are talking a platform where you can raise up money without you recruiting. How amazing is that? And we continue. Moving on. And I know you are challenged, right? I know you are still challenged, and you say you still want to earn more money. I want to make more money. I know, yes, 561,000. Okay, I know, but I want to make more money. So for those people who are going to make more money, this is for you. I'm talking to recruiters. I'm talking to those people who have mouthology, people who are going to talk, people who are going to make noise, people who are going to scream all over social media about Payline Fund. So now we are going to the direct referral bonus, where you earn money by recruiting people. All right. So for refer a new participant, all right, or recruit a new participant and receive 10% commission each time they enter a new level. I don't know if you understand this. Guys, this is where money is. Anytime you hear the word recruit, just know under it there's money, okay? So, for example, now you are a sponsor, okay? You have recruited your first person, and let's say your first person, for example, is Ayanda, okay? You have recruited Ayanda. So each time Ayanda moves from level 1 to level 2, you get 10%. He moves from level 2 to level 3, you get 10%. He moves from level 3 to level 4, you get 10%. You move from level... each time Ayanda moves from level 1 up until level 12, each time he moves those levels, you get 10%. So now imagine if now you have recruited 10 people. They are moving from level 1 to level 12. How much money are you going to make? Just imagine, okay? And you end up earning $2,000 passive commission from each referral. And if we go back again, let's go back again to our currency converter, okay? 2,000 rands, you get 29,000 rands from one person. Each time they move from one level to another, you get 10%. So each time every person moves from level 1 to level 12, you get 29,000. Guys, imagine 10 people. You times 29,000 by 10 people. How much money are you going to make? Guys, I don't know if you are ready for this. Payline Fund, there is money. We are going to recruit. I know you are going to recruit, right? You know those 3 people, and you're going to start with them. So this is how you are going to earn money while you are recruiting. Each time Ayanda enters every level, you get 10% commission, and you end up getting $2,000 each time they cycle out. Okay, when they cycle out at level 12, you're going to get $2,000. Imagine with 10 people. Guys, this is serious. Yes, I don't know, but hey, I can't anymore. I'm just gonna recruit, guys. So we are moving on to the next slide. And you still want to make more money. I know, right? You still want to make more money. So additional benefits for recruiters. You still want to make more money, right? So let's see the top sponsor award. Okay, this is for people who are going to make noise. I'm talking about people who are going to recruit and recruit and recruit. So we have the Top Sponsor Award, which is our final way of earning in Payline Fund. So top recruiters will receive special rewards every week. Every week, the more you recruit people, you're going to receive rewards. So terms and conditions apply. 50 minimum active recruits. So if you have recruited 50 people or minimum active recruits for that week, then you are able to get Top Sponsor Award. You are going to be awarded as a top sponsor for that week. So I hope that you understand every way of earning in Payline Fund. I mean, for those who are going to recruit and for those who are not going to recruit, this platform is for you. Okay, so now in Payline Fund we have a promotion. We have a dream car promotion, which is $100,000 promotion, dream car promotion. I am so excited about this. So we have the first prize worth 40,000, and the second prize worth 35,000, and then the third prize worth 25,000. So this is about to get down. I don't know if you're going to recruit. So if you're going to recruit, I think this is for you. You are imagining yourself driving this car, right? So for you to have, or for you to get this dream car promotion, these are the terms and conditions that are going to apply. Okay, cycle out your own personal account, meaning you're going to move from level 1 to level 12. Once you finish that, you can get your dream car promotion. Another thing is that awarded to one profile per member, top 3 recruiters of the year, and master team with 10 direct downliners of level 12. So if you have 10 directs and they have cycle out level 12, so this can be your car. So make sure that you go out there, you recruit your people, you make sure that your people go out there and they also recruit their people. And once they move from level 1 to up until level 12, you can receive this dream car promotion. So promotion starts from the launch day. So the promotion has started since this business has launched on Sunday. The promotion is on till the 31st of December 2021. So the promotion is going to end the 31st of December. So if I were you right now, I am just going to go and start recruiting people in order to get this dream car promotion. I am so excited, and we are going towards the end of our presentation. Success has never been easier, guys. Success has never been easier in Payline Fund. You get started from as little as $10, guys. 150 to those who are South Africans, okay? 150 rands. You get started with 150 rands and you end up raising 38,185, which we have seen from our currency converter is 561,000, okay? And you are going to receive this money. You are going to receive this money. Yes, you are.